In this video, let's learn how to actually measure your heart rate, that is the heart rate, using a Redmi Note 14. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to open the settings, okay, the Redmi Note 14. Okay, make sure you move down to additional settings, tap additional settings, and then you actually move down to what they call the heart rate. Tap heart rate. Now follow the prompts. You can actually see cover the icon with your finger. Okay, so you cover right there, and then it shows you actually don't move your finger, and you can actually see right now it is measuring like that, showing you the seconds remaining, 5 seconds remaining, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is 0, and 93 beats per minute. Okay, so the heart rate is 93 beats per minute, but that is how you measure the heart rate on a Redmi Note 14. You can actually tap done from here. Okay, that's it.